Hello, everyone! Did you know that there are 6 things in your home that could be attracting poverty and stagnation into your life? Everything in the world is energy, and it can drive you or prevent you from achieving your goals. In this video, I will show you which and how to get rid of these negative elements to attract positive energy and transform your life. Take a few minutes and pay close attention because this information is incredibly powerful. If you apply it, you will see miracles. Let us begin. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do so now. Like this video if you find this information useful, and comment below what other things you think we should eliminate from our lives to improve our energy. Let's go there, the clothes you no longer wear. The first critical point we must address is the clothes you no longer wear. Each piece of clothing you purchase carries with it a particular energy linked to the situation you were in at that moment. You may have once enthusiastically purchased a dress or shirt that you loved and wore often, but now it remains forgotten. Why is this happening? The answer is simple. You have changed. Life is a constant evolution, and what you liked yesterday may not resonate with you today. The clothes that you have stopped wearing harbor the energy of a past that no longer matches your present. Don't accumulate useless clothes. Keep only those that you adore, make you feel comfortable, and make you smile. You can donate the rest if they are in good condition, or get rid of them if they are not. Before parting with an item of clothing, take it in your hands and express gratitude. Say, "Thank you for the shared moments and time together." This symbolic act is essential because that garment has energy and needs to complete its cycle. Say goodbye to her with gratitude since she also accompanied you in wonderful moments. Plus, by freeing up space in your closet, you're creating room for new experiences and opportunities. Every time you release a garment, remember that you are making room for growth and change. This small but meaningful gesture can make a huge difference in your daily life, allowing new positive energies to flow freely. The broken things. Broken things can manifest themselves in kitchen utensils, decorative objects such as vases, mirrors, paintings, or any other element that accumulates in your home. Remember this clearly. Your home is your temple, and you must care for it with devotion. When something breaks, don't just try to repair it or force it back together. Understand this. A damaged object in your home acts as a voracious energy thief, a complete blockage to your prosperity. It's time to take bold action. Do the same thing we did with clothes. Say goodbye to these disturbing pieces, be grateful for the service they provided in the past, and resolve to free yourself from their influence. Give them away, throw them away, or recycle them. The choice is yours. Shoes that are worn or worn out. The journey of your life is guided by the shoes you choose to wear. They are much more than just accessories for your feet. They are your companions on this journey called life. Therefore, keeping them clean and in optimal condition is essential. Every time you cross the threshold of your home, be sure to clean your shoes to prevent them from bringing unwanted external energies with them. But that is not all. If these loyal companions are worn out, broken, and exhausted, do you really want them to accompany you on a worn path in your life? I guess the answer is a resounding no. Instead, take decisive steps to replace them with new ones that will guide you firmly each day. Always keep your shoes in impeccable condition because they are the foundation of your journey to success. Garments of those who are not among us. We come to the fourth point, an aspect that requires your sharper attention than ever. We are referring to objects and clothing that belong to people who are no longer on this physical plane, who have already transcended. This is crucial, so listen carefully. Memories should reside in your mind, in your thoughts and emotions, and not in inanimate objects. If that person is no longer part of your present, it is time to let them go, to allow them to follow their own path in the universe. Do not interrupt its process because clinging to these objects is anchoring yourself to a lifeless energy. What you need in your home are elements that are part of your present, that emanate a lively and current energy. Learn to let go, to release, and you will give way to a new, fresh, and vital energy in your life and your home. It's time to move forward. The mess. This step is of utmost importance. The energy in your home should flow freely like a vigorous river. The cleaner and tidier your environment is, the more positive energy will circulate around you. It is essential that you make an effort to keep your home organized. Open the windows to allow fresh air and sunlight into your living space. Fill your home with the freshness and vitality of beautiful plants. You must feel in your heart that your home is a temple, a sacred place where you feel deeply happy when you return. A simple but powerful act is to make your bed every morning and thank him for giving you rest. Remember that even your bed is a source of energy. Ultimately, seek harmony in every corner of your home. It's not about luxury or excessive spending, but about allowing energy to flow and move freely in your living space. This focus on energy and motion will create an environment conducive to success, peace, and prosperity. Your home is your refuge, your source of positive energy. Excess technology in your bedroom. This step is crucial and should be highlighted with even more emphasis. Nowadays, many people live, eat, and sleep with technology in their hands, even going to the extreme of sleeping with their cell phone next to their head or under their pillow. However, this practice is highly harmful. Surrounding yourself with electronic devices in your bedroom during your sleeping hours can have a significant negative impact on the quality of your sleep and your overall well-being. The electromagnetic fields emitted by these devices can interfere with your ability to relax and rest properly. Therefore, it is essential to take steps to minimize the presence of technology in your bedroom. This includes avoiding sleeping with your cell phone near your head or under your pillow, as well as unplugging other electronic devices before going to bed. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of peace, a place where you can disconnect from the digital world and connect with yourself in a deep and restorative way. This will promote restful sleep and greater harmony in your life. Conclusion. When you commit to applying these 6 principles in your life, you will witness true miracles. Understanding the importance of energy in your environment and taking steps to cleanse and harmonize your home does not require a significant expense, but the results you will experience are invaluable. Your living space is a mirror of your interior, and by eliminating negative energy, you open the doors to a more prosperous and balanced life. So go ahead, make space for positive energy, create an environment conducive to growth, and watch the magic unfold in your life. If this video has resonated with you and provided value, we encourage you to show your appreciation by giving it a like and subscribing to our Mente Millenaria TV channel. We also invite you to explore the related content that appears on the screen, where you will find an exercise in just 10 minutes a day that could change your life permanently. Click here and I'll see you inside Magnetic Mind. Until next time.